Hello, everyone, and welcome to Elevate with Felistar. If this is your first time here, you are in the right place for career tips, interview strategies, and professional development insights. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any valuable content. Today, we're diving into something special: interview preparation for pipeline engineer roles. Whether you're a recent graduate or someone with experience looking to step into the oil and gas sector, this video will guide you through some of the key interview questions you are likely to face and, most importantly, how to answer them. Pipeline engineers play a crucial role in the oil and gas industry. They are responsible for designing, constructing, and maintaining pipelines that transport oil, gas, and other products. But when it comes to securing a job, the key lies in preparation. So, without further ado, let's jump into the top interview questions for a pipeline engineer and how you can confidently tackle them.
Question 1. What are the primary responsibilities of a pipeline engineer?
As a pipeline engineer, the main responsibilities revolve around the design, construction, maintenance, and monitoring of pipeline systems. This includes everything from determining pipeline routes and material selection to ensure compliance with safety regulations. You'll also be working closely with other engineering teams to ensure smooth operations. A strong answer would demonstrate your understanding of technical and operational sides of the role, as well as your ability to manage pipeline integrity and risks.
Question 2. How do you ensure pipeline integrity during operations?
Pipeline integrity is crucial to preventing leaks, corrosion, and other failures. As a pipeline engineer, you would use methods like inline inspection tools, commonly referred to as smart pigs, and conduct pressure testing to ensure that the pipeline operates safely. You could also mention how you monitor for potential environmental factors that could affect the pipeline.
What software tools do you use for pipeline design and analysis?
In an interview, it's great to mention industry standard tools like AutoCAD for drafting, AutoPipe for pipeline analysis, and Caesar 2 for stress analysis. You want to show the interviewer that you are proficient with these tools and understand how they help in designing safe, efficient pipeline systems.
Question 4. Can you describe a time you solved a pipeline-related problem?
This is your chance to showcase problem-solving skills. Share an example of how you identified an issue, maybe a pressure drop or a leak, and took quick, effective action. Highlighting your ability to troubleshoot while maintaining safety standards is key here.
Question 5. How do you address environmental concerns when designing pipelines?
Environmental safety is a top priority in pipeline engineering. You could talk about considering environmental impact assessments, choosing routes to avoid sensitive areas, and using protective measures like double wall piping in high-risk areas. Be sure to emphasize compliance with environmental regulations like the EPA standards.
Question 6. What industry standards are relevant to pipeline engineering?
Every engineer should be familiar with the industry standards that govern their work. As a pipeline engineer, mention standards like ASME B31.4 for liquid pipelines and B31.8 for gas pipelines, as well as relevant API standards. It is essential to show that you are aware of these standards and know how to apply them in practice.
Question 7. How do you ensure safety during pipeline construction and operations?
Safety is everything in this industry. In your response, talk about implementing safety protocols, conducting regular safety audits, and using monitoring systems to detect leaks or pressure anomalies. You could also mention emergency response planning to show that you are prepared for potential hazards.
Question 8. How do you collaborate with other engineering teams on pipeline projects?
Collaboration is key. Talk about your experience working with civil, mechanical, and environmental engineers. Emphasize clear communication and how you work together to meet project deadlines, troubleshoot issues, and ensure project success.
Question 9. How do you handle challenging pipeline routes, such as crossing rivers or sensitive areas?
For this, highlight your approach to difficult terrains. You might discuss using horizontal directional drilling or advanced techniques to minimize environmental impact while ensuring the pipeline's integrity. This shows that you think critically and prioritize both efficiency and environmental responsibility.
Question 10. How do you stay up to date with developments in pipeline engineering?
Continuous learning is crucial in a fast-evolving field like pipeline engineering. You could mention attending industry conferences, keeping up with the new publications from ASME or API, or taking additional certification courses to sharpen your skills. That brings us to the end of the first part of our Pipeline Engineer interview question and answers series. We've covered some fundamental questions that you are likely to encounter in a pipeline engineer interview, but we're just getting started. In the next video, we'll dive into more technical and scenario-based questions that will really set you apart as a candidate. So, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss part 2. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who's preparing for a pipeline engineering interview. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, right here on Elevate with Felistar. Keep elevating your career.